Welcome to this quick training. In this video, we'll show you how to install and integrate your 24/7 chatbot on any website. By the end, your chatbot will be live and ready to engage your visitors 24/7. Step 1. Copy your custom script first. Log in to your 247 chatbot dashboard. Go to Install or Embed and copy your unique script. Show image on screen. Chatbot_script_image.p. This script contains your personal chatbot ID. Keep it handy. You'll need to paste it into your website. Step 2. Install by platform now. Let's add the script to your website. The process is slightly different depending on which platform you're using. On WordPress, go to Appearance gives Theme File Editor gives Footer PHP. Paste the script before the closing body tag and update the file. On Shopify, go to Online Store gives Themes gives Edit Code gives Layout Theme. Liquid paste the script before the body tag and save. On Wix, go to Settings gives Advanced gives Custom Code gives Add Code to Footer. Apply to all pages and publish. On Squarespace, go to Settings gives Advanced gives Code Injection gives Footer. Paste the script and save. On Webflow, go to Project Settings gives Custom Code gives Footer Code. Paste it, then save and publish. On BigCommerce, go to Storefront gives Script Manager gives Add Script. Place it in Footer Global and save. On Magento 2, go to Content gives Design gives Configuration gives Edit Theme gives Footer gives Miscellaneous HTML. Paste the script, save, and flush the cache. On Joomla, open index PHP in your template and paste the script before the closing body tag. Then save. On Drupal, open page HTML twig. Paste the script before the body tag and clear caches. On Ghost, go to Settings gives Code Injection gives Site Footer. Paste the script and save. On custom HTML sites, open index HTML, paste before the body tag, and upload it back to your host. On React, edit public index HTML, paste the script before the body tag, then rebuild and deploy. On Angular, edit src index HTML, paste before the body tag, rebuild and deploy. On Vue, edit public index HTML, paste before the body tag, rebuild and deploy. On ClickFunnels, go to Funnel gives Settings gives Tracking Code gives Footer Tracking. Paste the script and save. On Framer, go to Project gives Settings gives Code gives Footer Injection. Paste and publish. On Card, go to Site gives Settings gives Code gives Footer. Paste and publish. For Notion, sites using tools like Super, Framer, or Notaku use their footer code option. Paste your script and publish. Step 3. Publish and test after you've pasted the script. Save your changes. Publish your site. Then do a hard refresh by pressing Ctrl or Command plus Shift and R. You should now see your chatbot widget in the bottom right corner of your website. Troubleshooting: if your chatbot doesn't appear, make sure the script is placed right before the closing body tag. Verify that your chatbot ID is correct. Clear your site or plugin caches. And if you're using React, Angular, or Vue, be sure the script is in the main index HTML file, not inside a component. Outro, and that's it. Your 24/7 chatbot is now live, working around the clock to serve your visitors. If you need help, just go to your dashboard, click on Create Support Ticket, and one of our support reps will assist you with your integration.